Welcome to the Crypto Boss Injured channel. Let's look at Dogecoin again every single day, and we'll start on the 3-day time frame. So the 3-day time frame has about another 20 hours left to go on it. All I'm looking at right now is the stock RSI starting to get that curve up. That's what I like to see. It has not changed since yesterday. The 2-day time frame again has not changed since yesterday, so really nothing new to talk about there. The daily chart is in a downtrend. Now I will zoom in so that you guys can see the price action. I had this rounded top. That's why we have the circle up top. Then we were hoping we were going to get a falling wedge. On the smaller time frames, you can see this better. The daily chart is trying to get a bounce to the upside, but usually what happens is they try to curve it up, and then it just keeps rolling over. So my guess is this is still a downtrend on the daily. You're going to lose this low at 14.1, and you're eventually going to come down to this support at 13.8, 13.9. So really nothing has changed. I still believe it's very likely we see that support hit at 13.8, 13.9 before we see a move back to 15.4. Now let me go to the 12-hour chart. 12-hour chart was in this falling wedge. Like I said, you got a little bit of a move to the upside, hit resistance, and got rejected again. And really nothing has changed on that aspect. 8-hour chart hasn't really changed. 6-hour chart is just still struggling. Again, I think we're going to come down here and see that touch of 13.8 before anything else. The 4-hour chart is still, it's almost oversold. It's at 20 on the stock RSI, but it's not completely oversold yet. So again, short term, I'm more bearish than bullish on Doge, and to me this is nothing's guaranteed, but this is a pretty solid short to this next support at 13.8. It's not much of a move down. It's only a few percent at this point, so I don't know if it's worth the risk. But then you would have to look at the smaller time frames for confirmation that you're going to keep going lower. The higher time frames don't look good to me, and the 1-hour chart is now making a lower high. So if you don't break 14.7, it's likely that you come down to 13.8. So that's really what's going on the smaller time frames. A time frame I love to trade is a 33-minute. Once you lost a 200-day moving average or the 200 smooth moving average, which was at 15, you had a nice move to the downside. So again, I think it's more likely that you come down and touch that 13.9 level on Dogecoin before anything changes. If you lose 13.8, let's look at the next downside target. You have another local low at basically 12. If you lose 12, you're looking at 10.5 down here to the downside. If you do get above 15.4, then your next stop is 17 cents. It's pretty much that simple on Dogecoin, and I will leave it at that. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate it. If you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. I'll be live tomorrow at 11 p.m. Central Time in just about 24 hours from when I'm posting this video. So see you guys tomorrow in live stream. I'm live on YouTube and on TikTok at 11 p.m. Central Time. See you guys tomorrow for the live stream.